All right, now we're ready for challenge 7. Now, the goal of this challenge is to be able to head over to the path that's localhost 3000 / compose and be able to render a page that has the same styling as the rest of the pages with our navbar and our footer, and to have an H1 that says compose as the title of the page. And then we're going to have a text input here and a button that has the text publish. So pause the video now and complete this challenge. Now, the hint that I'm going to give you is that in order to achieve this, you'll need to include the header and the footer partials. You'll need an H1, an HTML input element, as well as an HTML button. So that should be more than enough to try and attempt the challenge again.